buenas tardes a todos los que me puedan ver, a todos los que me puedan ver. Hoy estoy encantado de estar en este proyecto llamado One Skill Lesson. Hello, my name is Camilo. I am excited for this project and One Skill Lesson. I have the most expectations with this program, and I will wait, learn, um, solidify my concept, my knowledge and concepts, and why this program benefits me in the future. Uh, Nothing better to say. Thank you for all. Okay, Walter, Walter.
Good morning, everyone. Let's wait 5 or 7 minutes and get started.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, I'm connected with two devices because I had some problem with the webcam. I hope that this is enough to prove what I have to prove. Uh-huh. So I'm using two devices. Oh,
I do chat. I do chat shit. Okay, I do chat shit.
excuse me. Excuse me, man. Oh man, some.
Creo que por cuestiones de regla debo de sacar esto de aquí. Ponerlo acá en otro lado. Todo esto. Pelots, pelots, ay, me duele mucho la espalda. That one, you can. Vamos a ver qué cara de computer. Es que sería coreano. Uy, había bastantes, 37 personas. 37 personas. Well done. Dan, Kwak, Nuyam, Kuyam, creo que es esa. Yosasu. Ecuador, please. Ecuador. No, estilo de los videos. Ecuador. Marica, que voy a interpretar lo que es el Kutsuchue. Kutsuchue. Creo que es. Vamos. Uy, Ay, Japón. Fukisato. Uy, semejante evento global. Hijo de I am exciting. Joey Manzala de Filipinas. Creo que toca colocarse las etiquetas hablar eso. Bueno, que yo no le cambio la etiqueta y me traigo así. Yotaro. Me da como el personaje Yotaro Cuyo. Me suena como el personaje Yotaro Cuyo. Señor.
Little, Eugenio, are you here? Eugenio, they told us to rename the streams.
¿Cuál es la opinión?
They told me to rename the stream. What's not according to the format or whatnot or what issue?
¿Cómo vamos con la emisión directa? Tengo una persona que me está viendo. ¿Qué será? I have it named right.
Sorry, can you repeat the question about streaming?
Yes, yeah. In WhatsApp group, I was told to rename my stream.
What?
About the rules?
Rules.
Are you competitor or expert?
A competitor.
Competitor. Okay. Did you your expert give you manuals, guidance about how to set up a local environment?
Could you please repeat yourself?
Did your expert give you guidance how to build a local environment, how to set up it?
How to set it up?
The big one PDF. There was 3 of them for different kind of platforms.
Are you talking about setting up your OBS, setting up YouTube, or?
Yes.
And I made him some questions. He answered those, and so
let me think. Let me send the link to them. 1 moment to just generate a link to the folder with them and one file which I intended to publish just right now. And send them the chat with Zoom.
Like a comma or
yes, there was all things. We did send this guide a lot of days ago. Sure. I think it was about the August the 1st, maybe early on the end of July.
Remote usage.
So there you need to open local endpoint setup guidance, depending on your platform. And about the naming of stream, there inside section for prepare your YouTube broadcasting account. It's is the step 7, and there is a numeric list with after the words the template for the fields and the 5 fields.
Yeah, but I have, but okay, I know. I think I named as I asked. I named mine is named Worst Case Asia 2021 August General Ecuador Day
Ecuador,
1.
let me check. Let me check.
Day 1 Stream 1.
Yes, now it's currently, I see it's okay. It wasn't okay just a few moments ago.
Okay, I wasn't the case, so it's now correct. Yeah.
It's now seems to be correct. Hold on. One moment. Colombia. By in description you have put Colombia.
And no, I haven't. No, I haven't. I can show. I can even share screen a moment to show you.
Hold on. I will send a screenshot.
Okay, I will send you a screenshot. I'll be sending you a screenshot shortly now. Okay. But I'm still not sure. I'm still sure to have renamed have named the right. I'm positive 100%, but who knows? Knows it. I just copy pasted the format and I changed the data stored in for the day, for example, and that and those sort of thing. I sent it in the WhatsApp group. Can you check it out?
I sent here. Sending here. 1 moment.
Yeah.
I did. Can you open chat? There's one PNG, .png file.
Okay, add some. Yeah.
The
Okay.
C, there's Colombia.
Okay, let me download that one.
Or is it from the account description? Okay, I see you Portuguese. Maybe you asked Colombia to share your account.
No. Maybe I think I know what happens. Maybe I think really this profile isn't mine, and so and this some guy lended me his profile because I could not activate mine because I had to. I didn't foresee that I had to wait 24 hours, and so I set it up in a few hours ago, and so
that's okay.
That's why. Maybe that's why you don't see the correct information. But I swear it's my. And maybe tomorrow, maybe I'll use my.
Okay, no problem for today. Just I need to make it clear why it's double. Two different countries in this stream. Okay.
Yeah. That's my. So it appears Colombia. I didn't see.
No problem. In the main title, you have provided that it is Ecuador, so I think we'll get probably.
Yes, and let me check a private window as well. Check a private window. I have it set up. Okay, send a screenshot. And it appears correct to me. And also, I had some other question. I was trying to set up the on my Linux machine the
Walter,
OpenVPN
there is
one.
OpenVPN in process. Just a moment. I need to send few documents, and I will give the OpenVPN profiles for the Linux macOS. Just a moment.
Yeah, I could not. I was not able like to set it to set it up because there was an exe file instead of the OVPN file.
Yeah, as I said, our provider slightly changing default shipping package. They usually send this file already inside the package, but currently they decided to do not include it and don't let us know about this.
Oh, I know. It's just like everyone. It's like just like the most people use Windows, so I understand that they might have forgotten to to include it, but it's okay. And how? Good morning, everyone else. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today is you Competitors Day for the Skill IT Software Solution for Business. I am delighted to welcome our competitors and experts again today. My name is Alexander Asachi from Russia. I am the organizer of the skill in this competition. Today is you Competitors Day. Today and tomorrow we have days devoted to checking and testing connection to virtual infrastructure, connection to virtual machine, technical issue, etc. Chief expert you skill Maxim Fishmati. We also have a workshop manager Artem Matveev. You can contact him on all technical issues. Maxim, I give you the floor. Maxim.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. Yes, thank you, Alexander. You have my voice right? Is everything okay? Oh. So I am happy to welcome everybody, our competitors and our experts, which we had a meeting yesterday with. And I am happy to inform you that we are on schedule, and I've been monitoring everything, the test project, the banking scheme, everything is all up to par. And I would like to thank Artem for his effort. Artem has been our workshop manager for the past few weeks. He has been active and he has been trying to figure things out with this new setup. This is the first time that we have an international competition in our skill on a full online format, so please bear with us. I am still trying to learn about this new way of running things, and I hope I can count on your help and support in making this a success. I would like to thank Anna and Emil. They've been our test project designers. They have done a great job. And
recording in progress.
I hope that you will have the same feeling that I do about what has been provided. I am a little bit behind on your on Artem's work. He's told me that he's still missing a few items from our competitors. I would like to remind you all that it is really, really important to have those handed in today, because once we start the competition, there's if you don't have a live stream setup, or if you don't have the VPN setup, there's no way we can have you in our competition. Please, Artem is really responsive. Please talk to him. I'm hearing a few issues. He's told me that he's trying to talk to the VPN providers and figure things out. I hope that we can have these resolved by the end of today. Most of today's time will be you guys talking to Artem about your individual issues. If you don't have any issues, then I don't think this is familiarization day. I don't think there's much we can discuss. But to start things off, I'd like everyone to know each other. So I'm going to go through the list, and then we're going to introduce ourselves. And afterwards, we're going to tell everybody a little about us. Like, what are your hobbies? What do you like to do? And how long have you been in our skill up in programming, developing applications? You've been involved in what's our skill ones. It would be great to know you all, and I'm sure it will be great to have friends. Once this competition finishes, you guys can keep in touch. You guys can make friends, and you guys can help each other around in your own ways. Like, if you know something that others know, I'm sure you will like to share your knowledge. Is there anything you like to add, Artem? We start with the
Yes, I think we have one question. Alexander, are you still be here? Okay, we still have issue from the yesterday. Hold on, I will call Alexander.
Вопрос? Нет?
Да, насчет Колумбии. We have issue with the Colombia about the age group.
Можешь его озвучить вопрос? Какой? Я уж не помню.
По поводу джуниора или нет Колумбия.
Junior. Colombia is junior. Yes, I am meeting to organization committee, and he asked me, yes, Colombia.
It was on the group. I think 14 to 17 years old are junior, and then 17 and up are general. Is that right?
Yeah, 17.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
we have after that we have another one issue about we need to have let me remember the words. We have continuously sequence of the workplace numbers because of some internal requirements from the test project team. So we don't need to split up the workplaces numbers in the middle. Colombia currently has the number 3, and but our juniors in the end of our list of workplace numbers. So we need some. We can swap the numbers with Indonesia. Do you agree on this? What my decision making on that? To make Colombia.
I'm sure.
Colombia. Go ahead.
I'm sure that would be fine. I don't think that would be an issue if you could swap them and then let them know before they set up their VPN and access their virtual machines. That would be fine.
Okay, so we're changing drawing lots for Colombia and Indonesia. I previously asked Indonesian expert about does he or she agrees on that, and they to say that they agree on it. Okay.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Can we please have UAE competitor, Shama Al Hosseini, from what I have on my screen?
Mr. Professor Nelson.
Can you please introduce yourself and let us know a little about yourself?
Nelson.
Hello, my name is Shanna, and I am from United Arab Emirates. My experience is I'm from security and network background with interest in coding. And I am Inwar Hashim from United Arab Emirates too, and I am specialist at software security, and that's it.
Software security. That's great. Nice to know you, Shama. I hope you have a great competition ahead of you, and I wish you success. And we have Anwar Hashim, also from UAE.
I am Anwar Hashim, and I am an information security student with specialization in software security.
Nice to know you, Anwar. If you guys could tell us about your hobbies, maybe some things that you like to do in your pastime, or just to get to know each other. So.
Creo que ahorita me llaman, pero
we call ourselves the software solutions for business family, so we kind of know each other a lot. If we were in a other situation where we didn't have to meet online, we would have fun and games improvisation day, and we get to know each other very well. But this is all we can do. If you guys, I'm sure your specialty is very important, but we'd like to know a little more about you guys. So your hobbies, your interests, whatever you like to, maybe sports you like. It would be good to know everyone's interests.
Your hobbies other than programming.
Programming.
Hey, hostel, can I present myself?
Yes, I have a list that I'm going through, but of course, okay. I have from Uzbekistan, Abrorov in the junior.
Okay. I'm Walter Antonio Salivaca, and I'm Ecuadorian. My passion is many of us. Our passion is programming. One of our passions. I also like computers a lot, and I like to meet people. I like to talk to people. One important thing. Okay, I have. Okay, I want to tell you something. I have I actually have a visual impairment. And I have to be very close to my computer in order to see. So I could not have my camera like this, because you had to see me like this, and you could not see like my face, and you don't want to see that. So I had to put I would request that I can put my cell phone like this, and you have my other camera that you can see me from, so that and you can see me from the YouTube stream also. So I hope that that's not an inconvenience in any way. And you don't worry about me. I can use the computer. I can use the accessibility settings to make myself more comfortable and use all the tools that I need to use. So that's all that I can say about me. I don't know how you. So let some other people present themselves. Thanks for the attention.
Thank you. Was that Walter? Salivaka Walter, right? That's what I have on
Yes,
screen.
you can call me Walter.
Nice to know you, Walter. I hope you have a great competition. I'm sure you can overcome your disabilities. It shouldn't be such a big deal. We know you're a good programmer. You're here.
Yeah, yes, right,
Okay,
right.
okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. What I have here is from Uzbekistan, Abrarov. Do we have the Uzbekistan competitor for juniors, or is it? We have two people from Uzbekistan, Abrarov and Maxim.
ahorita me estaban llamando.
No. Abror
No.
and Abrarov. Yes, Uzbekistan. Do we have the competitor from Uzbekistan?
Yes, I'm here.
Please introduce yourself. Okay, yes.
My name is Akbar Khan. I'm from Uzbekistan.
¿Dónde está?
It's my first time.
Okay. Nice to know you, Akbar Khan. So, you have any interests or anything else you want us to know?
What?
Maybe you guys are so familiar with English.
Uzbekistan.
All right. Can we move to Camilo? Camilo Stoller from Colombia.
Yeah, yes, I do. Hi,
I see it's dark out there.
hi, my name is Camilo Solar. I have 17 years old. I live in Colombia. I represent Colombia. Um, this is my first time in this program and these projects. Only have 6 months programming. Um, I like it, this process. Um, this is all for me. Um, yeah. I don't have more to say.
Nice to meet you. Camilo, I hope you have a great competition and we hope to see you more and more in future competitions as well. We have Belarus, Maxime.
Hello, everybody. My name is Maxim. I'm from Belarus.
Russia.
My hobby is programming, playing table games, playing guitar, and go for a walk with my friends. This is all.
Nice meeting you, Maxime. I hope you have a great competitions. Can we have Isaac Grayo from Philippines?
Philippines, Isaac, great one.
Hi everyone, I'm Isaac Balingit from Philippines, and I mm, I have been using 1C Enterprise for a year now, and my hobby is I like programming, and I also love boxing as a sport. Thank you. That's
Okay,
thank you.
nice meeting you. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great competition ahead in front of you. We hope to see more of you. From Japan, Fuki Sato.
Japan.
Hi, hello everyone. My
Um,
name is Fuki Sato. I am a national champion of IT network system administration and IT software solutions for business. So my hobby is cycling with my friends. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Fuki. Cycling, yes, in the summer. It's fun.
Exactly.
Okay, nice meeting you, Fuki. We have from Thailand.
Thailand, yeah.
If you have the Thai competitor.
Cinco.
Yeah, it's me.
Uvachara?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
me.
hey.
Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm from Thailand. My name is Pooh, and you can call me like Sean, as easy to call me. My hobby is playing some guitar. I like to like AC/DC, and that's my favorite band. And is I like to watch anime. Yeah, that's my hobby. Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Anime, yes, from Japan. Okay, thank you. Nice meeting you, Sean. And I hope you have a great competition, and I hope to see you more. From Korea, we have Jeongwoo Lee. If I have the name right. Do you have the Korean competitor?
Yes, correct. Yes, I will interpret.
Korea.
안녕. 마이크 안 되는 것 같은데 여기.
Korea.
여기 마이크 안 되는. 어때요?
La única razón por la cual me gustaría ir a Corea es por League of Legends para tener mayor conocimiento de cómo jugar.
안녕하세요.
Es como el mejor servidor para.
네? 마이크 안 되는. 아 이걸로 된다는데 부친님이.
Eso se conectó.
아니 지금 말하면 제가 통역할게요.
네, 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 이정우입니다.
Nice to meet you. My name is Jeongwoo Lee, representing the Republic of Korea.
저는 회사에서 훈련받고 있으며 취미로 롤하는 걸 좋아합니다.
I'm trained in my company, and I like the League of Legends to play.
League of Legends.
League of Legends. Okay, so thank you. Nice meeting you.
League of Legends.
E-games are very big in Korea here. We have Udelvi Martin from Dominican Republic.
Dominican Jodelby. Jodelby está?
Yes, man. There's no. Firstly, hi. There's not so much to say about me, but as many as you are seeing on your screen, my name is Julie Martin. I'm from Dominican Republic, currently majoring in system engineering, and about sports, I like almost all of them, but mainly basketball. And probably like most of you, I like technology, but because of all solution we can get by using it. Thank you. That's it.
Okay, nice meeting you. And basketballers, I like basketball. So we had the NBA finals and just recently, and the Olympics. So I hope you have success both in sports and in work skills and in your trade and your skills. I'm sure you're good at all of them. Okay. From my list, we have the competitor from Vietnam introduce themselves.
Vietnam.
Hi everyone. I'm Nguyễn Đăng Quang from Vietnam. You can call me Quang. This is my first time attending skill camp, and I have been working with 1C Enterprise for like 2 years. My hobby is listening to music, play League of Legends too, science fiction, and traveling. But currently I'm in lockdown, so I hope this is a chance for me to meet new people. Thank you.
Nice meeting you, Dan Quang. Okay, from TW, Taiwan, Chinese Taipei.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Guo Dongyu, but you can just call me Nick. It's fine. And I'm from Taiwan. And my hobby is programming, like everyone else. And perhaps a little bit of system designing and a little bit of networking is also something that I like to do from time to time. And I'm really looking forward to competing with all of you. Thank you very much.
Okay, nice to meet you, Nick. Very energetic, very looking forward to working with you and seeing more of you in future competitions. From Iran, do we have the competitor from Iran? Parsa?
Hello everyone, this is Parsa from Iran. I'm so happy that I'm here. Like my last experience was 2 years ago in a national competition, and I was really looking forward for this one. So for the hobby, I'll go with chess. So whoever wants to play, just add me up on chess.com. We can play. Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Parsa. Yes, chess. It's really a good hobby in these times of the COVID crisis. You could always play it at home. Okay, from Russia. Can we have the Russian competitors please introduce themselves?
Russia. Russia.
Russia. Let me see if I can.
Hello everyone, my name is Vadim and I'm from Russia. You hear me? My hobby is programming, chess and music. I'm playing music group and thank you for your attention.
Music. Yeah. Nice to know you, and I hope to work with you more and more every day. Okay, I'm not sure if I skipped Indonesia. I have a name here from Indonesia. Gabriel?
Let me help you. Gabriel, yeah. Will Jaya, I think. Gabriel with Jaya.
Gabriel.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Gabriel.
Okay. I think. Gabriel, are you there? The thing about these meetings is on the participant list, we don't have a proper format, so some come with their first name, some come with their country code. We can't really distinguish everyone to see if they're online right now or not. So if you can fix that, it would be great. So we'll have all the country codes in front of your name. And if you're a competitor, maybe a C in front of your names, so we know that you're a competitor. We can call on you. I'm seeing a lot of names, but some of them are experts that I know. We got to know. And some competitors might not be present in this meeting. If I can get it correctly.
Hello.
Hello, yes.
Hello, I'm Umayma Marwan. I'm a competitor. I'm from Morocco, and this is my first experience in WorldSkills. That's been 4 years since I started programming, and I'm currently a student at Higher School of Management and Telecommunication. And about my hobbies, I can say programming and playing basketball.
Okay, another basketball player.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Omeima. I hope you have a great competition ahead of you, and I hope to see more of you. So, anyone else here present, competitors that I might not have called on?
Hello.
Askara.
I'm from Uzbekistan. My name is Nizam Askarov.
Uzbekistan.
Nizam, nice meeting you.
This program.
Okay. Artem, you have the Russian competitor? I haven't seen the Russian competitor coming.
Let me ask them.
Y Emiratos Árabes Unidos, ya pasó.
I know that Malaysia does not have a competitor this time. And
Артем, здесь они? Вадим Шабанов. Вадим.
Да, здесь.
Ага.
Я представлялся вроде.
Okay, then juniors, yeah?
Juniors. Хитров Максим.
Okay, then Maxim, Russians here. Why are you asking about them?
Okay. Can you please introduce yourselves?
Hello, everyone. I am Maxim Petrov from Russia. I am a student of the Moscow School. This is my first international experience. I am interested in programming software development by 1C Enterprise and Python. Thanks. Good luck to everyone.
Nice meeting you, Maxim. If you could turn on your webcam or a picture or anything that we could get to know each other better. And do you have a junior?
It was junior.
From Russia?
It was junior. The main competitor was introduced himself earlier.
Вадим, еще раз представься. Да.
Тебя не запомнили.
Да. И камеру включите. Камеру все включать.
С камерой проблема, к сожалению.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Vadim Shibanov and I'm a Russia competitor. My hobby is programming, playing chess and music. I'm playing music group and we love rock music. Thank you for attention.
Nice to meet you, Vadim. I believe we have covered everybody. Is anyone here that's a competitor that we haven't got into? I haven't mentioned their names or their countries.
Hello, can I introduce myself?
Of course, please go ahead.
My name is Korkem. I'm a competitor from Kazakhstan. My hobby is playing games and sleeping. I'm very glad to join this competition and I wish you all good luck. Thank you.
Nice meeting you, Korkem. I hope you have a great competition as well. And we hope to see more of you in future competitions. Anybody else? Before we move on? Okay, I think we've covered everybody. Artem, you provided me with a list and of the people who have completed their forms. You're going to invite them to a group chat for competitors. Is there anybody here that hasn't completed the competitor forms?
The competitor form about WhatsApp telephone number to include you in the group chat.
Okay, we have Taiwan. Please go ahead, Peggy.
Peggy line.
Just a few moments. I think I will repeat here the link to this form. Just a few moments. This one link for this form.
Yes, Artem has put the link up. Some of you may not have gotten to complete that form. Please do so. So we can have you on a group chat, and then Artem can help you with your setups and any difficulty you might have with your streams or otherwise. Thank you for that. And Peggy from Taiwan, you have your hand up. Please go ahead. Do you have a question, or do you want to?
Your phone numbers, and I think it was on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Also, Moxan, we don't get Indonesia, yeah? Competitor over phone, Kim.
No, I asked for them. They don't seem to be present.
And no more. Others is here, yeah? Others are
from
here.
the list I have.
Yes.
That's what I have in front of me. Yes. So, Peggy, can you please introduce yourself? Are you compared from Taiwan?
Yes, I do.
I don't have you on my list here.
I have different name from Taiwan. Oh, sorry, what? Taiwan, I think. Hold on. Chinese Taipei. Yeah, I have different names.
Okay. We can't hear you, Peggy. No. You sent a message. You have to unmute.
Hi everyone.
Taiwan.
I'm from Taiwan. I'm Zuhan Lu. My hobby is programming and play some games. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Peggy. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Thank you. We have two competitors from Taiwan, I believe. Okay.
Sorry. Yeah. One junior and one main group, yeah. Should be.
Okay. That must be it. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for your time. I hope you got to know each other. I was hoping to see more of you on webcam, but we'll see you through the competitions anyway. So one thing that I reminded you is the forms. Now we have to go to Artem. Artem, how many people are still missing their live stream links, and would you like to go through those with the competitors?
Yes.
Or okay, so
yes.
if you are missing two items that we require you to provide us before you can compete in this competition. One is the VPN connection that you need to establish, and then have a look at your VMs. And the second is your live streams. Those are required. So please help Artem. Artem is here for you. Please have these set up before the end of day today. Artem, do you need anything from our side, the experts?
I sent just right now, just a few moments ago, a remote usage guidance how to operate in the remote site on the virtual machine. Please experts send this file to your competitors. Also, we put this file onto virtual machines as well, and here it's available under my first link. I think I will send it. The last one currently linked. This guidance, you can download it and read through it. Okay, so let's start about current situation with the links. What's going on right now? I'm going to start the screen sharing session. Yes. So here, what's current situation of affairs? From the Russia main group, I don't get information about the way how they where they want to get the VPN connection. From South Korea, the expert started wrongly, too early started the broadcast in the meeting.
Artem,
yeah.
Artem, before you go to individual countries, there were two documents that you provided the experts, one for Mac, one for Windows. Can you please explain how they work? Maybe you could go through the pages with the competitors, so everyone knows how the network setup for the VPN and etc. works. So if they have any questions, they should not have to go through their experts and then the chat. If you could explain it to everyone in one place, it will be really great because they can have an overview from the creator of the document. This way, everyone gets a first-hand look.
Okay, sure. Thank you for correction, Maxon.
Yes, no. If you go through these, and then we can go through the Excel file for individual competitors.
Okay. Someone from Russia, can you turn off micro? We can hear you. So we have sent. I have sent several documents. The local endpoint setup guidance. There was 3 documents for 3 kind of platform: Windows, Linux, and macOS. The mainly structure of it is the same, but some of it contains a bit different steps for some sections of this document, but the structure mainly the same. So here we given you for almost all of you the VPN connection links. So there is an archive which you need to download, or for the Linux or macOS, it's 2 archives. The password for them is 2021. All of them. You need to extract it and follow the instruction. For the different platforms, it's different. For Windows, you don't need to download nothing except the archive. For the rest of the platform, you need to, for the macOS and Linux, you need to install some OpenVPN client first, and then import the profile. If I get to I get 2 questions about providing Linux and macOS OpenVPN configuration files so far, but if is there someone else who's working locally on the Windows, or sorry, on the Linux or macOS platforms, please let me know through your experts or in the WhatsApp directly. that you two need those configurations.
Yes, I did, and you said previously that you were contacting the VPN providers to give you the OVPN files for Linux, for example, right?
Yes, I get requests from the place 19 and 8. I put into the folder which was given to you on your emails or WhatsApps, and put there additional archives. If there are any additional places, please tell me your workplace number by the downloads, and I put the files there. Okay.
Okay, mine is 5, for example.
Your 5. Okay. Okay. Let me do it. I can do it. No, I don't get for you.
Okay.
Ask them.
O sea, esta cámara es la que tiene que estar para el Zoom.
Okay, I will let you know back about the fifth place. Okay, so if there anyone else, please let me know. Okay. About your place, I do remember. It's it's in work right now. So then after that, you have 2 sections about YouTube broadcasting, how to perform it, how to sign up our account, and how to screen share. But those 2 sections shall be done by today, even by yesterday, because YouTube broadcasting account, signing up to YouTube broadcasting account takes like 1 day usually. They do manual verification. Yes, from Ecuador.
Yeah, about that, I have some issue, but unfortunately, a friend let me his account because I didn't foresee that I had to.
It's no problem. You can use any account. Just you need to trust it because you need to have access across all 3 days. This day and all of 3 competition days. Sorry, can you turn off your micro? It's quite noisy.
Oh yes, sorry.
Okay, so you can use any account. You can even, if you're from the same organization, like join us in general group or to main group competitors, you can share a single one account, but you need to create a separate link for each account. Also in this section, in prepare your YouTube broadcasting account, is presented the way how you need to create those accounts and how you need, links, and how you gonna need to name them. So here on the step 7, how you need to name them. Use these criteria for naming. The screenshot is for just reference purposes where the fields are located. And in the end of this section, this guide, here is where you need to get this link. About privacy. We changed it a bit. Policy about privacy, you need to check unlisted, not the private, as the guide told. So then it's about how you need to configure broadcasting software. Go to this page. Configure local screen broadcasting. Here you need to install OBS Studio or any other software, but what's main requirements? It shall support in 4K transmission. 4K transmission and allowing simultaneously recording your screen into your local disk. About your local disk, make sure that you have enough space. Files, records intend to be quite big. If you don't have sufficient space, you can decrease your local resolution to 2K resolution. It's 2 times lower than current output resolution, but not less than that. Because why it happens so? Because if you look on the layout, you have 2 screens on the transmission and one of 2 webcams. So if you have 2 full HD screens, the width of the transmission is equal to 4K resolution. So that's why we're asking you to provide a 4K stream for us.
But it's absolutely necessary, or do you have like a minimum that, for example, my bandwidth, I'm using like a 70% of my bandwidth, so so I don't think I can use 4K because it may become slower for me or for some of us who don't have like very good internet.
In some, please let me know if someone has poor internet connection. We will decide on you. I will discuss it with the team because on lower bandwidth, we just couldn't be able to see what's going on your stream because it will have lags. Maybe we will allow you a bit decrease resolution. Also, the possible ways, if you have smaller screens, or either you have 1 screen instead of 2 for some reasons, you can manually adjust the resolution, stream resolution. You can make it lower. If you have 1 screen, you can use stretched full HD, for example. Put left 1 screen and webcam here only. It can allow you reduce bandwidth. Okay. Any questions about YouTube and broadcasting right now? Or also, please fill the form which was sent into group chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, please sign up in it. We have some restrictions. We can use only WhatsApp for the moment.
May I ask a question from South Korea?
Yes.
Okay. Do we need to access through VPN at the moment?
No. You should still don't have access to the remote machines because we currently shut down them because we did not yet start to realization with the remote stands. Okay.
Okay, understood. Thank you for your answer.
Section 7, and the next section about after the establishing VPN connection is establish a connection to remote virtual machine. It's mainly simple because you shall have the RDP file. You just open it and connect. Also, as far as I know, Moxan confirm me, we allowing on the remote machine, we don't have internet connection, but on your local machine, you can use online translation services. Am I correct?
Yes, that's what we decided on in the meeting in C-4. So the issue is that we can't provide you the test project since there's no secure room where we can provide it to the experts, and in order to overcome that issue, we ask you to use an online translator. So not a translator in person, but something like the Bing or the Google Translator that you could just look it up online. This way, we can, since you have live streams going on, you can have a look at your desktop and see if you are on the right website. If you have any questions or issues with that, please raise it so we can discuss it right
also,
now.
one reminder, if you have anything open in your browser, any left tabs, please close them all before you start competition. Do not forget that. Okay?
Yes.
So what are like? Would you please outline the general rules for the competition?
Sorry, I don't get you. Can you repeat?
Would you please outline the main rules and the main considerations in order to have a good competition and we not getting any trouble?
Moxan, maybe you will present the total list of the roles in the competition for competitors.
So there was a technical description file that was provided to everyone. You have a physical computer where you connect through to the VPN server. On that physical computer, you could actually use the online translators, but not any other websites or any other resources on the VM. Also, the VM has limited internet, so you may not go to online repositories or websites or talk to anyone, chat, Skype, etc., etc. On the physical computer which has internet access, you may only go to the online translator websites. So Bing Translator, Google Translator, or otherwise. So you could, so if there's a sentence or a word that you don't understand the meaning to, you could look it up online on those translators, and consequently, you could actually use the meanings in your test project. If you have questions, if you have issues, if there are items on your test project that are not you do get 15 minutes before the start of competitions to look through them. So that 15 minutes, you could look up the words or online and understand what the meaning of the test project is. So use that 15 minutes so you don't have to use the session time in order to understand what the test project is about. About translators, physical translators, people who will translate for you guys. You may only use them to raise questions during the competition if the experts, the other experts from not your country but other countries, ask for them. So, or me, or Alexander, or whomever who's in charge, or maybe Artem. Artem, if you have a question for Artem, if there's anything wrong with the VM or the setup, you could use your translators to raise those issues. If you can't tell them in English, if you can't ask a question in English, we rather you use the translators so you can go back to your work as quick as possible. If there's anything else you might want to ask, please ask me right now or ask Artem. We're here to help. Or any other time. Ask them right away. Is everyone understand that, or do I need to explain that again? Are there any items that you might not?
It's clear. It's clear to me. So far, it's clear to me. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Artem, can you please resume your presentation?
So so far it's all about I think it's all about your local places. So no more questions about your local setup, where you can find information about how to build it. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. So today we're presenting also the remote endpoint usage notes. It's more not a full guide. It's like a more specific information about how you're gonna connect to the servers, so where you can find it. So first, we want to provide to you a list what you need to check today that they C-1 at the remote places. Well, what is your main actions there?
Amazing.
Next is connection information with server names, the usage purposes, and some additional information about that. Notice that in this competition we have a bit different way how your database services will work. We have two different servers for 2 different days because of the way how this project is organized inside. So keep in mind that in day C2 you have one server, in day C3 you have another one. And they will have different databases, different things, and etc. And this project does not connect it between those days. So we in C3 day we will shut down the server which corresponded to C2 day, and in other direction we will shut down the we will turn in the C2 you will have access to C3 server while competition is going on. Same for MySQL server. There's the 2 servers. Next, it's a description about file shares. Here is one little change for juniors. For juniors, you will have 2 additional disks, tasks and tasks junior. So tasks junior, it's the disk where you need to have access. For the tasks disk, you will see it, but you won't have access. You shouldn't. So other information here is fully up to date. Android emulator. Android emulator we use in standard Android virtual device, which is a part of Android Studio, so nothing exclusive. Just few reminds. First of all, do not change settings. If you going to change the settings, please do not turn on function quick boot. Quick boot does not work properly with this setup. Your emulator will stop responding on any input actions after the resuming its work. And please do not change CPU cores or memory settings of OVD. You can slightly adjust them if you want, but we do not recommend to do that. It's configured currently for work. Also, there is okay to get such kind of warning. System UI isn't responding. Please just click wait and ignore it. Don't click on close up because it will restart Android emulator. Also, I need to notify you that the initial loading of emulator takes about 5 minutes. So after you launch it, you approximately wait 5 minutes plus minus some seconds usually, but shouldn't exceed 10 minutes, and you get a working emulator. During this process, you can get some warnings that emulator is not visible. It's okay because the timers for the tools mostly designed to work with the quick boot mode, and quick boot mode, it's almost immediate start. But new Androids, it's a bit hard and loading too long. So that's why you will get some warnings about it. But emulator is working. We check that and deploy the application. And through any device, FAD device list or ADB, emulator will be visible almost in the end of the boot process. In the moment when you will start and see the UI interface. Before that, when you see the loading screen, it won't be visible. It's still okay. Just wait those time. If you getting if your emulator will load too slow, please let us know. It's usually if it will take more than 10 minutes. If it's less than 10 minutes, please don't worry and keep waiting. Version control system, JIT. We have deployed JIT server, local JIT server. You don't need to have any accounts like GitHub and etc. You will have provided account for a local JIT service. The application called as Gox, but I don't think that you need to know much about it. You just accept the URL and make your repositories there. We also provide some guide how to operate inside this service and how to push commits there. Web server. As a web server, we have Internet Information Services embedded in Windows server. Here is two sites, one for OneS, another one for your API solution. But if you going to use Java or Python, there is additional configuration. So far, we get only information that competitors are going to use Python as for API. And we put additional guidance for the Python launching and asked the competitor and, the expert. And I'm currently asking the competitors, it's from UAE, to check that the Python will work properly and guide is okay, because we're not sure for 100%. If there is someone who intended to use Java, please to let us know. Is there anyone going to write API on Java? Okay. No one. Yes, also about the question from the chat about the test project. Actual test project will be given in date C1, in time before competition starts, and the competitors will have 15 minutes to learn it before starting competition. So continuing here, here is about deploying application. You can simply deploy application by putting the files into the network disk corresponding to the proper ES site. And then will be nice to restart application pool, because without it, application pool, your application could not be fully restarted. You can try to omit these actions from the second to third, but if your application is not working correct, please try to choose them. Try to follow them. If it's still don't work correctly, I think probably it's your issues in code. But if you see that it looks like a technical issue, please to let us know. So next is a section about where you can find the libraries, the paths to the libraries. And the last one, brief section about 1S, 1C platform, how you need to configure it for working with the mobile platform. So after that, we have a bit detailed information about toolsets, where you can find the toolset and how you need to provide the names, connect server connections, etc., to allow your applications working with your databases and DC, etc. For both Microsoft SQL and MySQL platforms. And the last one section is how to operate with a Cox service. How here you can create the repository. Please make sure that your repository is private. This checkbox is checked because this checkbox means that no one else could access your repository and your work if you don't check it. But as far as I remember, we did check it forcibly into configuration, but anyway, checked that it is private. Also here, you can select the last one checkbox, initializing the repository with the template. This initialization will allow you upload files through the web interface. Without it, you will have only the option to upload them through Git client. And then after you creating the repository, you will be given the page with the repository. And you can use it for command line Git client, or embedded in some IDEs Git client, or if you initialize it with a template, you can upload files with the web interface, web GUI. Here is some quick steps for them. No, it was not last. It's last the how to publish API, and the last guide is how to publish API. What you need to do in order to use function publish application through the Visual Studio. You also can just manually build an API solution and put output files in the disk manually without using this function. So it's just another one way how to put your web application into onto the server. So that's all in this guide. Any questions regarding the remote place?
Okay. Good evening, Artem. I am Yudi from Indonesia. First, sorry for my late join because I have another meeting, and maybe we missed something, but actually we haven't received our VPN file, or did you haven't distribute it to everyone, or?
I yet didn't distribute to you in Colombia due to the issue. Okay. We also we did. I don't yet notify you. We did reach the solution. We will swap the places. Your place will be have number 3.
Okay. So I think we have reached the solution that we are agree, right, to switch the.
Yes, yes. Moksan, are you here? Moksan, chief expert.
Какой вопрос был-то?
Yes, Moksan, Indonesia is here. Here is experts from Indonesia. As far as I remember, you don't reach the competitor, yeah?
Can you please repeat that?
Indonesia is here, experts.
Okay, yes.
As far as I remember, you have issues with their competitor.
Git, right? We explained it yesterday. Git mandatory and the way to submit our work from Taiwan. Yes, Git is part of, we explained it to the experts. Git is part of the industry standards. So it has points. If you can't use Git, or if you don't get the time to upload your files, your project, it still will be marked, but you will lose marks because you are not using the standard, industry standard. There are marks allocated to using Git. And then from Indonesia, we had Gabriel, right?
Yes, he is.
Hi, Gabriel. Can you please introduce yourself and tell us a little about your hobbies and your interests? Gabriel?
Okay, hello, good afternoon, Mr. Mosen.
Hello, Gabriel.
Yes, hello, can you hear my voice?
Yes, we have you on our screen. Please introduce yourself. What can we call you by? And then a little about your interests and hobbies and etc. So everyone can get to know you better.
Oh, okay.
Quantum Drive.
Okay. My name is Gabriel and I'm from Indonesia. You can call me Gabriel also, or you can call me Rio. My hobby is just playing computer games and playing video games. Sometimes I also watching movies.
Okay, nice meeting you, Rio. I hope to see more of you, and we hope to have a great competition. I wish you best of luck. So Artem, where are you on the presentation?
Okay, yeah. So about headphones, there is a competition. Did you respond for your question?
Okay, I don't see a problem with the people listening to music, headphones during the competition, but I will also ask the organizers as well. And this is, like I said, in the World Cup competitions, we used to have music, listen to on a radio, so that everyone can listen to music while they work. I do not believe that would be an issue. Does anyone object with that?
Александр, имеете ли вы что-то по поводу наушников и музыки? Александр. Нет.
Alexander.
Let me write him. Okay, any another questions? Maybe by me.
Okay, Adam. So to conclude, I guess the issue is resolved, right, for the Indonesia.
Yeah, for Indonesia and Colombia, I will send, I think, just after my presentation, try to send you the links for your setup.
Okay. And also I have a question maybe for the mobile module. Is there any minimum API level or it will be defined in the test project?
I think it's even question not for me, for the test project. As far as I know, they did not say me anything about that.
But we only
Emil.
So, but we only allow to use
ask the question on the group chat. I'm sure Emil will have a look at it.
No, they don't. They don't have access. They don't present.
Okay. I think maybe if it's not available, we can ask it on the day of the competition.
I will follow up on it. So that's not a problem.
Okay. So, but we are only given the FED pre-installed in the Visual Studio, the Android Studio, and we only allowed to use that, right? Okay. Okay. I think it's clear. Okay. Thank you, and we wait for the VPN file. Thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah. Hold on. I think
Thank you. Artem, is Alexander online?
Yes, he responded.
Yes, I hear.
Был вопрос по наушникам. Можно ли наушники использовать?
I think no. Я думаю, нет, так как я не знаю, куда, к чему они подключены.
Alexander has one issue that he does not know where headset is connected, on which device and what exactly played there. Maxim?
Yeah, that could be an issue, but if they are connected to the computer and it's visible on the live stream, I don't think.
Мы на камере не видим, куда подключены наушники. Они могут быть подключены к компьютеру, а могут быть подключены к телефону.
We don't see on camera exactly where they connect that. Но Максим говорит, если они невидимы на стриме, то может быть разрешить.
Окей, я согласен тоже. В принципе, особо я не
Yeah, because we have a live stream of the desktop as well, so they can't play around on there. So I don't think that would be a problem.
Okay, Alexander agrees.
So as long as
if they visible
computer, we can monitor it.
Alexander agrees if they will be visible on the stream, that they connect directly to the computer, that they could be usable.
Okay.
Okay. I will write those down and put it on a document and post it on the group chat so everyone can see. And Alexander, are there anything else in our agenda for today?
Что? Артем?
Как что-нибудь еще по адженде, как я забыл, повестке дня?
Только проверка техническая. Они сейчас осуществляют? Нет, осуществили вы? Нет?
Нет, еще нет. Мы еще
нет, только техническая проверка, все, больше на повестке дня. Тестирование.
Familiarization.
Yes, only familiarization. Only familiarization.
On our agenda.
Today and tomorrow for only familiarization.